clot. Yo, that's something bad in a J. Crosses. Bumbo. So right now we picked up 2 clamps, and we are gonna take this one off, and then yeah, this should be the only clamp that we have to change. Maybe this one. Let me see if there's any like exhaust coming out that I can see. I can't really tell, so for now we're gonna change this one, maybe this one as well, but I think this one is sealed, so we should be good for that. So yeah, we're just gonna change these clamps. Also, I posted the turbo kit up for sale already. I'm gonna see if I could go pick up the headers today. If not, then tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow actually, because I'm already gonna be part way out over in the direction that I need to go for work. But yeah, another thing we're gonna do right now, bumbo clot, is open this box here. So give me a second to set up, and then we are gonna unbox this. You may already know what the fuck that is, but yeah. And if you didn't know now, you absolutely should know by what this thing is right here. So yeah, it's oh wow, it's actually gloss black already. I thought it was like flat. Well, there's something shaking around in there. But yeah, let's okay, so here's the hardware. So we're gonna take the last of that something out of the bags, and then I go put it together, then mount it, I think. Because I mean, I guess we'll see. So, boom, this is the top part. It looks like this. And then there are some spaces right here, so you can put the hardware in. And then after that, you put this thing in, and then you attach the hardware from below down here. And then to mount it to the car, you use the hardware to put into these 2 holes, and then you also can run 3M tape across that something there. So yeah, that's pretty decent. I got this for $100, so yeah. I also have to grab some side skirts. So yeah, it's gonna be side skirts. What else? Man, I don't even know. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so I have the risers on. It's kind of annoying because like the slots for these things are not that big. So like what you'd preferably do is trim like as much of this off as possible and do it, but I couldn't find my cutoff wheel, so I just did it slowly. Or you can grind this part down so it's super thin, because like the range of motion when it's loose is not that much. So like it's literally like this the whole time, and those screws are long, but luckily these ones are short, so it should be quite a bit easier. Yeah, both risers are on, so now we're gonna put on the other part. I should have did it on this part too, but oh well. I'm putting a thing of double-sided tape here to connect the deck to the risers, and then I'm also going to do it on the other side as well, but I'm going to get some adhesion promoter first for that, and then I'm going to screw the deck into the thing as well. So yeah. So after fighting with the this wing, I got this one off. I mean, I got it off, and yeah, unfortunately the holes from that one are showing, so it's unfortunate. I do plan to eventually get a carbon trunk anyway, so it's not too big of a deal, but yeah, it's just kind of annoying that the holes are there. But yeah, fits okay, looks pretty decent. It's gloss black. Again, I'm not putting it on right now, but I just wanted to get that one off and test fit it. But yeah, if you're gonna run a wing, on an E36 it has to be like a GT wing or a GT3 wing, a Euro wing, or one of these. It could be like a round ducktail, but not one of these long, like sharp ones or whatever. Like, it just doesn't suit the car. But this, perfect. Unfortunately, the front bumper is still not on yet. I didn't put it back on, but anyhow, that doesn't really matter. This is just about the wing, and now we're gonna put the clamp on, and then that'll be the end of this video. I just wanted to get a couple things done. But yeah, my allergies are starting to bother me, so I'm about to go inside after I do this. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a little while.